Join Lee County Family and Consumer Science Agent Alyssa Anderson and explore the med instead of meds way of eating. Throughout this several week-long course, participants can meet new people, learn new ways to better improve their health, and gain hands-on experience in making unique Mediterranean-inspired dishes that include a variety of food groups such as whole grains, fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, olive oil, plant-based proteins, herbs and spices, and seafood. Eating like those who live in the Mediterranean region has been shown to promote health and decrease the risk of many chronic diseases. The Med Instead of Meds program is focused around 7 main goals, which are change your protein, swap your fats, eat more vegetables, eat more fruit, snack on nuts and seeds, make your grains whole, and rethink your sweets. These 7 goals will be explored through open discussion and hands-on recipes and examples in class. Eating the Mediterranean way is not only healthy, it's delicious, satisfying, and a unique way to rethink your diet and health. For more information on how you can join the Med Instead of Meds class, please contact North Carolina Cooperative Extension Lee County Center.